In this video, I'll show you how to add swatches on the collection pages of your Shopify store. First, we need to install the Supra Swatch Colors app from the Shopify App Store. The link in the description below. In the app, you can set up your swatch colors. Each color can be set as either a solid color or even an image. The app supports both integrating swatches for variant colors, but also allows you to link separate product pages using color swatches. For that, you'll need to create product groups in the app. Once that is done, we can head to the Settings tab of the app. You have full control over the look and feel of the swatches and can choose between various styles. To enable swatches on collection pages, scroll down to the Collection Page section and enable it. Note that you have access to even more customizations when clicking on Advanced Settings, the top of the Settings page. Let's save and preview the changes. Now we can see the swatches are working on the collection page. You can also see that the swatches are working on the product page as well. When switching between colors, you can see that we are redirected to the other independent product pages that we grouped in the app. That's it. You now have swatches on your collection pages.